Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we are going to cook string beans adobo with bacon. Ayan, so let's get started. First, we need to add our cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil or plain oil. Ayan, then next, let's add our onions. Ayan po, sati lang po natin yung ating onions mga kaibigan. Ayan, until mag light brown. Ayan, so halo-haloin natin para hindi po matutong mga kaibigan yung ating onions. Ayan, madali lang naman po itong lutuin mga kaibigan. Pero kailangan lang talaga na may pasensya ka. Now, let's add our bacon. Ayan, sunod na po natin ang ating crumbled bacon mga kaibigan. Ayan, mabili po yan sa Costco grocery or sa local store. Ayan. Then, halo-haloin natin ito hanggang mag light brown. Now, let's add our minced garlic. Ayan po, minced garlic po ang gamit natin dahil wala pa akong fresh. And let's continue mixing our onions, bacon, and yung ating garlic. Ayan, as you can see mga kaibigan, already light brown. Now, it's time to add our string beans. Ayan, or sitaw. Ayan, let's mix. Halo-haloin lang natin itong mabuti hanggang mag-combine until the combine and all the ingredients what you call this, combine and stick to the string beans or our sitaw. Ayan. So let's mix for a few minutes. Then now let's add our soy sauce. Ayan, or toyo mga kaibigan. Then haluin again. Let's mix again until mag-combine po sila or ma-absorb ng ating sitaw, nating ingredients, ang soy sauce. Alright? Then continue mix. Halo ng ilang minuto. Now ilagay na natin ang ating, ayan po mga kaibigan, I have all-in-one seasoning or you can use paminta or ground black pepper. Ayan, yung ating all-in-one seasoning, nandyan na po lahat ng spices sa kitchen. So now let's add our sukang pinakurat or spicy seasoned vinegar, or you can use plain vinegar if you don't like spicy. So let's mix it again. Let's stir it again mga kaibigan. Halo-haloin ulit natin until na mag-combine po sila. Ayan, so halo-halo lang po ng mga ilang minuto. Ayan po, napakabango na po. At this point, amoy na amoy ko na po mga kaibigan. Smells really good. Now, I'm adding my ground black pepper or paminta. Ayan po. Optional po yung all-in-one seasoning kanina mga kaibigan. Kung wala po kayo nun, paminta or ground black pepper is enough. Then, let's add a little bit of water. Ayan. Halo-haloin natin ito. Kunti lang water ang ilagay natin, just a little bit to cook our string beans. Ayan. We don't need a lot of water for our string beans because we're kind of stir frying the string beans, no? Because take maybe 3 to 5 minutes only to cook this recipe. Ayan, smells really good now. And now let's add our magic syrup. But this is optional mga kaibigan. If you don't have magic syrup, you don't have to. Ayan, but I have magic syrup that is Filipino seasoning. Then, let's continue mixing or halo-haloin lang natin ito until na mag-combine po lahat ng ating mga ingredients. Until mag-combine all our ingredients. Ayan, napakabango. I smell it right now mga kaibigan and smells really good. Continue mixing. Ayan, to avoid burning our string beans or adobong sitaw na may bacon. It's mixing. Ayan. Just few minutes sating this mga kaibigan. Ayan. Until na ma-absorb na ng ating string beans bacon ang water. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit more of water. Ayan. Because it's not that cook our string beans. So, I need to add a little bit more in order to cook our string beans. Ayan. So, I just cook this recipe mga langka 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. Ayan. So, napakabango na po mga kaibigan talaga. Then, now, let's cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Ayan. After 2 minutes sating, let's cover for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes mga kaibigan, I can tell and I can see this is ready. Ayan mga kaibigan. Ang bango-bango na po at naamoy ko na po talaga. Napaka-bango na po niya. Smells really good guys. Ayan. So this is ready mga langga. I'm so excited to eat this as my dinner. Actually, our dinner. Ayan. This is our dinner tonight. Looks really good, smells really good. Simply delicious. Now, let's prepare our string beans with bacon. Adobo po ang tawag nito mga kaibigan, no? But ginawa nating special because we added bacon. Ayan. So, napakasarap. Amoy na amoy ko na talaga. Then, now, let's prep our rice mga kaibigan. This is good with rice. There you go. Our adobong sitaw or string beans with bacon is ready to serve. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Still crunchy, but it's not raw. It's already cooked, but still crunchy. Tastes really good because of the bacon and all the seasoning and spices with our jasmine rice, steamed jasmine rice, and my salted what you call that, danggit or ginamos. Then my coffee, even gabi na coffee pa rin. Eat mga kaibigan, husgahan na natin itong ating string beans or sitaw na adobo with bacon or bacon. Pinososyal ang ating sitaw na adobo. Kaya naman kainan na. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.